How to log into your Adobe account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Adobe account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Adobe. Log in just like this, and once you search in for that, just come over to this website called official website of adobe.com. So once you're inside here, finally click on this sign in button. If you have an existing account, just tap on this sign in button. But if you don't have an existing account, you can also click on this create an account option to completely create your account from your scratch. So you can basically use any of the existing account, that is your Google account, Facebook or Microsoft or Apple ID and so on, to directly log in or sign into your account to your new Adobe account. So once you follow the on-screen instructions of your password and your email, just click on continue, and you just have to provide your first name, last name, date of birth, year, just like this, and just click on continue by clicking create account and wait for a few seconds, and you should have successfully created your official Adobe account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.